बार न्यू ईयर्स पे ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा बिकॉज ऑफ COVID. So I thought this year I'm going to tell you a story of what happened on New Year's Eve a few years ago with me. This is similar to the video I had done with Ranveer recreating my first date story. So this is similar to that. I'm going to recreate that for you and hopefully you guys can relive that party time with me. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and let's begin. Okay, New Year's has always been different for me because it's my birthday also. People think it's lucky, but in reality it sucks because either people don't show up because they have some family thing to go for, or they have another group ka party that they have to go for, or even if they do end up coming for my New Year's Eve party, they completely forget that it's my birthday. Since I was a kid, I've always dreaded having a birthday party for this specific reason कि लोग भूल जाएंगे कि मेरा birthday है. अरे मेरा birthday नहीं है, New Year's Eve party है. मुझे सारे fun का pressure नहीं लेना. So a few years ago, around the 25th only, I was not in Delhi, so I spoke to my friends on the phone. अच्छा तुम्हें मन है ना बड़ी पार्टी करने का? अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने थोड़ी अल्कोहल अलाउ करी है, तो ठीक है तुम लोग सब कुछ प्लान कर लो फिर देखेंगे. Okay. Cut to the day of the party, we were all really excited and हम सब मेरे रूम में रेडी हो रहे थे. अच्छा फाइनल सीन क्या है फिर?
मतलब मैक्सिमम 20-25 लोग आ जाएंगे, pretty sure.
सही है, मैंने उस हिसाब से खाना ड्रिंक्स वगैरह सब कुछ तो प्लान कर लिया है.
Yes!
As I got ready, a few people started showing up and जैसे जैसे एक एक इंसान आ रहा था, they were making me have shots one by one. And after a bit, it actually got really crowded, so I was really confused. कि इतने दोस्त हैं ही नहीं मेरे. Okay, this is why you guys imagine a lot of people in COVID scenes. Please, समझ जाओ. Then after 1 hour.
I am so done. I'm so done.
Guys, do you know where Sejan's washroom is?
It's in that room.
Oh, that room?
Straight.
Fine.
Yeah. See you.
I have no idea who that is.
ये है कौन?
I have no idea.
मैं सिर्फ कब से देख रही हूँ इस बंदे को, पूरी पार्टी में लगा हुआ है. तो इसका पूरा ग्रुप कौन है? I was so confused and annoyed कि भाई घर मेरा है and I asked Sakshi.
I am so sorry, Sejal.
क्या मैसेज भेजा है लोगों को? दिखा.
One sec.
That's when I saw the message. It's New Year's Eve. Bring your own food, booze, and your friends. See you there. I mean, Sakshi, I will kill you, पागल. मतलब ये भी नहीं कि मेरा बर्थडे यार, उतना तो बोल देती. And ऐसा हो गया था. After a point, there were some 60 people, and उनमें से मैं सिर्फ 15 maximum 15 लोगों को जानती होंगी. And उसके बाद the rest of the night was in flashes. Cut to, I woke up in my room suddenly. मेरे कपड़े बदल गए and I look around and see. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं किसी को जानती नहीं हूँ. बस एक इंसान है जो ऐसे snore कर रहा है बहुत loudly. And then Sakshi comes in the room.
Thank God, Tuti, bro. It's just a lot is happening. Lot.
एक सेकंड, टाइम क्या हो रहा है पहली बात?
6 बज रहे हैं.
Dude, कल रात हुआ क्या? I swear मेरे को ना कुछ समझ गया, मेरे को याद नहीं है ना. और मैंने ना पक्का किसी को मेक आउट करते हुए देखा है. Dude, और क्या मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे कॉल कर रहे थे रात में?
Firstly, your dad saw a few people making out. It's not looking good. And then the neighbors called because बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा था. And it's just a lot. You need to call your mom and dad like right now. Like right now. Calm down. We can handle this. Easy breezy. Get the party feel back. But
Dude, मैं snore कौन कर रहा है यार तब से? I was panicked to another degree. फिर मैं सोचा मैं बाहर जाती हूँ हालत देखने and bottles everywhere, like cigarette butts everywhere. सब कुछ हालत इतनी बुरी थी ना and I was so scared. I knew I was in deep shit.
Joy, come here. Happy birthday. Joy, पापा से ना बात कर लेना. Anyway, happy birthday. Joy, you're stinking. And look at what you've done.
Okay guys, so that was that, and my parents didn't let me forget about this for 2 years, which is fair. And my friends वो आज तक इसके बारे में बात करते हैं, तो hope you guys enjoyed that and say hello to
Sakshi Sundwani, aka Style Me Up with Sakshi.
Did you have fun
I
filming
had
today?
fun. I had fun. It was very real. I actually felt like this mom friend taking care of Sejal while she was like drunk. And you know what? Half of the scenes that you see of us dancing, we were actually dancing and having like real fun. Like हमें लग रहा था कि हमारी actual New Year's Eve party हो रही है.
party हो गई है basically, तो हमने मजे कर लिए हैं. And so we actually met really long ago, and we were talking about that. We were in this like YouTube creators camp thing together.
Damn, that
So
was like years back.
we learned how to like literally be creators together, which was like a real throwback. So glad to have you on my channel.
Glad to be here. This was so fun. This was so fun.
And guys, please subscribe to my channel and hers. Follow her on Instagram. She makes some really amazing videos, fashion videos on Instagram. Please check them out. And साथ मेरे Instagram को भी check out कर लेना. And please subscribe, like, comment, press the bell button. And I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.